How to add friends on EA account. Hi everyone. If you want to add friends on EA Games account, then the process is quite easy, so let's get started. Launch open your EA application on your PC, and then once you're logged into the homepage, go ahead and click on this Find Friends button on the right hand corner. Here you can easily type down your friend's EA ID, their real name or their email address. Once you type down their name or their email, you'll see the search results. Go ahead and find the person you want to add and then click the add button right next to their username. You can also import friends from one of these services. Simply go ahead and find one of the services you want to import friends from, and you'll be able to import your Steam friends, Xbox friends, or your friends from PlayStation account as well. Once your friends or the contacts accept your request, you'll be able to add them as your friend in the game. Just make sure you and your friends both have EA accounts. Once friends, you can then invite each other to the games, chats, and see online status of each other. So that's how you easily add friends in EA Games. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.